One of the benefits of improving your time management is that you have more time to do things that you enjoy. One of the things that we enjoy in our household is cooking a really good meal. And tonight we are fixing Chipotle shrimp tacos. And this recipe is from Dishing Out Health, so thank you very much to Dishing Out Health. It is 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and then you're supposed to add a pinch of cayenne, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, then a 3/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, then you need a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and you can mix it all in a bowl. We have our spice mix, shallots, and olive oil, as well as the shrimp. So 1 tablespoon of olive oil for 1 pound of shrimp. We're going to put in the shallots, the spice mix. You'll stir, get everything well coated, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Let all of this goodness absorb, and after the 10 minutes, then you are ready to saute. These have been cooking for about 7 minutes, and you can see that they're a little more shriveled. They're not nearly as plump as they were when they were raw. You'll also notice that there is quite a bit of liquid in here, so you want to make sure when you serve these, you're using a slotted spoon, so that way you don't get all of the liquid onto your tortilla and get it soggy. We're using a slotted spoon to serve the shrimp, put it on the tortillas. My husband is putting on an mango avocado salsa. It's got 1 mango, 1 avocado, a few tablespoons of cilantro, lime zest, lime juice, and a seeded jalapeno. Chipotle shrimp tacos with the mango avocado salsa.